Hi, this is my branding journey with Lucy Stars. So Lucy is actually my friend that loves glitter, and she also is very creative, and I wanted to encourage her to start her business. I made a simple retro logo because that is Lucy all the way. So with a retro client, I wanted to make sure that I kept true to them. I loved planning the mock-ups. They are my new best friend because they really got me more excited about this project. I went with Facebook and Pinterest, and I decided I was going to set really high goals and try for 500 followers. I got 1 follower on each page, but that's okay. In the end, I'm super happy. So I did videos that were created by me and also videos that were related to the brand. I show the products that were made and I was able to photograph them, and I liked creating the ads. The biggest lesson I learned is that it can be hard to do this for someone else. If they're not creating product for you to photograph, then you can't take pictures of anything. So that kind of limited my posting, but I learned a lot on how I should maybe approach that with a client. So also I learned about ads that I prefer just to boost a post. From previous experience that I have, I got a lot better results. Planning, I need to simplify. I think if I simplify my plan, it would have been less intimidating for Lucy to, as a client, help me reach those goals. And also I should have reached out to her own network more and encouraged that. But in the end, super happy. She started her own Facebook page and she's leaving it private for now because that is what she's comfortable with. But I'm glad she's putting herself out there and taking that leap to start her business.